Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about modern combo box controlling power apps. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In power apps, now we have modern controls. If modern control is not available by default, in that case you need to click on settings and then you need to go to updates, and then you will notice here that you have modern controls and themes. You just need to turn it on, and after that you just need to close it. Now you need to click on insert, and then from here you can search for the controls. For example, I want to work with this combo box. I will just click on it and you will see that this control is added in this screen, which is screen 1. By default you will see that items has item 1, item 2 and item 3. So what I will do is I will add few items here. Let's say red, green, blue, yellow, purple, and then pink. Now let's learn about few properties of this control. Here you can see that we have allow multiple selection, which is by default off, right? So if I press Alt key, now you will see that you will not be able to select multiple values from here, right? And then you have this property which says that allow searching. So if I play this application, you will see that you will be able to search for the value, right? You can see it is working as a search field here, right? Consider that I want to disable these two. Now if I play this application, now you will be able to just select one value from this combo box control, right? And if I come here and enable this option, which is allow multiple selection, in that case you will notice here that you have this checkbox before these values, and now you see that all three values are populated in this control. Apart from this, you can also enable this allow searching. Okay, now you can see that this part is working as a search field, right? If you type blue, you will be able to select this value, and if you want to search for yellow, so you can just select it, and once you remove the selection, you will see that you will have these two values selected in this control, right? Now here you can see that we have one property which is trigger output, right? So trigger output is something that triggers the on change function when it loses the focus, right? Which is saying focus out, or when you press a key, or then we have this delayed, which means after 30 seconds the on change function will be triggered, right? Now what we will do is we will disable this multi-select option, and from here I will insert a text field, correct? And in the text field I will say combo box 2 dot selected dot value, right? Now I will play this. Now here you can see that when I make the selection, the value is green, and then when I make it red, the value is red here, right? But what if I make this as allow multiple selection? Now you can see that the last selected value is displayed in this text control, right? For example, if I choose purple, you will see that the value is purple. Reason behind that is because in this case we are using the selected dot value, but if you want to display all the selected values, in that case we need to use selected items, right? And it says that it will return a table. Since it is returning a table, what we will do is we will use concat function, and then I will give a table, and here I will say the separator, which is comma, and then I will close the bracket, and now I will drag this so that you can see all the values that we have selected in the combo box control, right? So if I uncheck these, you will see that you will be able to see only purple and blue, which is the selected value in this combo box control. Next is that we can also print the value which was used to search the combo box, right? So if I say combo box canvas2 dot search text, right? So whatever the text that you will use to search a value from the combo box control, that will be displayed in the field. Let's say if you want to search for red, you can see the value here, it shows as red, but in the combo box you have these three values, which is red, blue and purple. Another property of this combo box control is placeholder, right? So I can search for this input text placeholder, and here if you see that we have this find items, right? Now if we clear all the selection from this combo box control, you will see that here you are able to see the find items, which is the text that we have specified here. If we make it as 2, you will see that same value is being displayed here, right? You can edit this value directly from this place, and let's say I want to add a icon here, so I will just press Windows and dot, then you will see a lot of icons. You can look for something which is search and just click on it, then close it. Now you can see that here in this control you have this search icon. Another property of this combo box control is multi-value delimiter, right? Here you can see that we have this comma. So the moment we make selection from this drop down, you can see these values are separated by comma. If we make it as semicolon, you will see that you have this green and blue separated by semicolon. And if you want to make it as pipe, you can do that as well. Here you can see green and value is separated by pipe symbol. In combo box control, you can also set a value as default selected item. You can search for default selected items, and here you need to specify the value in square bracket, and then you can specify the value which needs to be selected by default. So here I choose it as red, and if you want to specify more than one value, in that case you can specify comma, and again the double quotes, you can specify the value which you want to be selected in the combo box control by default. So in this case I will use yellow, right? Another property of combo box control is validation state, and at the moment you can see here that the value is none. If I make it as error, you will see that there is red circle around this control. Consider that we have a situation where we want at least 3 items to be selected in this control. If it is less than that, then it should generate an error. What I will do is I will come here and I will put a condition. For example, if count rows, and then I will say self dot selected items is less than 3, then it should generate an error. Otherwise the value should be none, right? At the moment you can see that it is in red circle. Now if I select the third value, you will see that error is gone. The moment I will uncheck it and come out of this control, then you will see that there is a circle around this control. Another property of this control is on change. So on change, we can specify or display a notification saying that how many items have been selected here. So I can use this count rows self dot selected items, then close the bracket. Then here I can specify, let's say, information, and I can close the bracket. Now I will come here and press Alt key, and then I will make the selection. You will see that it is saying 3 items are selected. Now it is 2, and now it is just 1, right? So these are the features of modern combo box control in Power Apps. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.